I collapsed during my morning presentation at work. One moment I was explaining quarterly results to my team, the next I was on the floor with everyone staring. The paramedics checked me out and said my vitals were fine, but I knew something was seriously wrong. My doctor ran comprehensive tests and found nothing alarming on paper, but my fatigue was crushing. I could barely function by 2 p.m. daily. She asked about my diet, and I admitted I'd basically lived on coffee and quick meals. Then she said something that sounded too simple to work. She told me to eat a specific combination of berries every morning for 2 weeks and track what happened. The mitochondrial energy crisis nobody explains. My doctor showed me something on her computer that changed how I understood fatigue completely. She pulled up images of mitochondria, the tiny power plants inside every cell. She explained that oxidative stress damages these structures over time, reducing their ability to produce AP, the energy currency your body runs on. Berries contain anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that give them their deep colors. Research from the journal Molecular Nutrition and Food Research shows these compounds can cross into mitochondria and protect them from oxidative damage. But here's the critical part most people miss. Different berries provide different anthocyanin profiles, and combining them creates synergistic effects. My doctor recommended a specific mix: half a cup of blueberries, quarter cup of blackberries, and quarter cup of raspberries every morning. This wasn't random. Each berry type contributes unique compounds that work together. Why my energy returned within 5 days, not weeks? I started the berry protocol on Monday morning. By Friday, something shifted noticeably. The crushing afternoon fatigue that made me want to crawl under my desk simply didn't hit. I stayed alert through entire afternoons. This wasn't subtle, it was dramatic. My doctor explained the mechanism. Anthocyanins improve mitochondrial efficiency within days, not months. They also enhance nitric oxide production, which improves blood flow and oxygen delivery to tissues. Better oxygenation means better energy production. Studies from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that berry consumption improved vascular function measurably within 2 hours of intake. But she warned me this wasn't magic. If I went back to poor sleep, excessive stress, and nutritional deficiency, berries wouldn't save me. They worked because I also fixed my sleep schedule and reduced my caffeine dependence. The brain fog that lifted completely. For months, I struggled to focus during meetings. I'd read emails 3 times without absorbing the content. Conversations felt exhausting because I couldn't track complex topics. My cognitive function was deteriorating and it terrified me. Berries changed this within 2 weeks. My concentration sharpened noticeably. I could follow detailed discussions without mental exhaustion. I remembered information more easily. Research published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry examined berry consumption and cognitive performance. Studies found that anthocyanins can cross the blood-brain barrier and accumulate in brain regions responsible for learning and memory. My doctor explained that brain fog often results from inflammation and poor cerebral blood flow. Berries address both issues simultaneously through their anti-inflammatory properties and vascular benefits. The inflammation markers that actually changed. My doctor ran blood work before and after 6 weeks of daily berry consumption. My C-reactive protein decreased from 2.8 to 1.4 milligrams per liter. My interleukin-6, another inflammation marker, also decreased significantly. These weren't minor shifts, they were clinically meaningful reductions. Chronic low-grade inflammation underlies fatigue, brain fog, joint pain, and accelerated aging. Berries contain multiple compounds that research from the Journal of Nutrition suggests can modulate inflammatory pathways. But my doctor stressed that berries worked alongside other anti-inflammatory practices like adequate sleep, stress management, and regular movement. The blood sugar stability that ended my crashes. Before berries, my energy followed a brutal pattern. I'd feel okay after breakfast, crash by 11 a.m., struggle through lunch, crash hard by 3 p.m. I relied on constant snacking and caffeine to function. This cycle was exhausting and unsustainable. Berries stabilized my blood sugar dramatically. Despite containing natural sugars, their high fiber content slows sugar absorption. Research from the British Journal of Nutrition found that berry consumption with meals reduced post-meal blood sugar spikes significantly.